Hey, tech lovers! Welcome back to Wisdom Headquarter. Today, we're diving into the Samsung DU8000 Crystal UHD 4K 43-inch Smart TV. This is Samsung's 2024 model, packed with some incredible features that you need to know about. Today's we will cover pros and cons and Wisdom Headquarter verdict, based on customers' reviews on Amazon and Google. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Imagine watching your favorite movie in stunning 4K with crystal clear details and colors so vivid they jump off the screen. Now, add to that an ultra-slim design, advanced sound technology, and a smart TV experience powered by Tizen that's smoother than ever. Sounds good, right? But is this TV really worth your money? Let's break it down. First up, the Samsung DU8000 boasts a crystal UHD 4K display, which means you're getting top-notch picture quality. The colors are bright, the blacks are deep, and with HDR support, every scene is more dynamic and lifelike. And gamers, listen up! The Gaming Hub feature is a game-changer. With a 4K 120Hz refresh rate, expect butter-smooth gameplay with minimal lag. Plus, the TV is a marvel at the fascinating air-slim design, stunningly sleek from every angle. Let's talk pros, because this TV has plenty. 1. Crystal Processor 4K. This processor enhances every frame, ensuring the picture is sharp and vibrant, no matter what you're watching. 2. Object Tracking Sound Light. The audio feels like it's moving with the action on screen, creating a more immersive experience. 3. Smart TV powered by Tizen. The user interface is super intuitive, and with voice control, navigating apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus is a breeze. 4. Great value for money. For its price range, the DU8000 offers features that are usually found in much more expensive models. But, like any product, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are a few things to consider before hitting that buy button. 1. Sound quality. While the object tracking sound light is impressive, some users have mentioned that the built-in speakers could use more bass. An external sound system might be needed for true audiophiles. 2. Limited viewing angles. The picture quality slightly drops when viewed from sharp angles. 3. Another common critique is the limited HDMI ports. With only 2, it might feel a bit restrictive if you have multiple devices like gaming consoles. So, is the Samsung DU8000 Crystal UHD 4K 43-inch Smart TV the one for you? If you're after a sleek, feature-packed TV with stunning visuals and decent sound at a reasonable price, this could be your perfect match. However, if you're super picky about sound or often watch from side angles, you might want to consider those factors. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today from Amazon. Link in description. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.